Ex-boyfriend charged with the stabbing death of Jamaican-born nurse in New York. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. The immediate ex-boyfriend of slain Jamaican-born nurse has been arrested and charged in connection with her stabbing death in Holtville in Long Island, New York, USA, 2 Thursdays ago. Wayne Chambers, a 49-year-old resident both of Medford and Hartford, Long Island, has been charged with second-degree murder in relation to the death of 46-year-old Sandra McIntosh, also in Medford in Long Island. It is reported that on Thursday, July 22nd at about 8 p.m., a resident heard a woman screaming for help on Woodland Avenue in Hartsville. The resident went to investigate and found the woman, later identified as McIntosh, lying near a wooded area with stab wounds. The police were alerted and McIntosh was assisted to the Stony Brook University Hospital, where she worked as a registered nurse but later succumbed to her injuries. According to a U.S. media report, police indicated that Chambers allegedly killed McIntosh after picking her up from a shift at the Stony Brook University Hospital. Police said that Chambers promised the nurse that he would move things out of her house because she and him had broken up. The sister of the victim had this to say about the incident.
We're just distraught. We're just broken.
I want justice for my sister. She don't deserve it. Someone heard her scream, help, help, and call the ambulance, and they picked her up and rushed her to Stony Brook, where she passed away. She gets letters from patients. She'll give you the last. That's the type of person she is.
After allegedly stabbing McIntosh to death, police said that Chambers fled in her white car that her family said was a white Lexus, the media report. McIntosh was also a flight attendant with the American airline. Chambers is expected to make his first court appearance on charges on the weekend. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.